Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Telegram code not sending problem on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, check your cellular data settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Cellular Data, and make sure it is turned on. Then go to Cellular Data Options and enable data roaming. If it still doesn't send, adjust your iMessage settings. Open Settings, scroll to Messages, and disable iMessage. Wait about a minute, then turn iMessage back on. If the issue persists, disable message filtering. Scroll to Message Filtering and turn off Filter Unknown Senders. You can also try using a VPN. In Settings, enable the VPN, connect, and request the Telegram code again. If none of these work, uninstall and reinstall Telegram. Tap and hold the Telegram icon, select Remove App, then Delete App. Open the App Store, search for Telegram, and reinstall it. Now you should receive the verification code. So that's basically how you can fix Telegram code not sending problem on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.